To create a payment voucher in QuickBooks, start by creating a bill payment if you haven't already. Click the New button and select the Pay Bills option. Then fill in the relevant details, such as the payment account, payment date, and starting check number. Next, select the payments you want to list and click the Schedule Payment option. If you want to pay the bills immediately, change the payment date to the current date. Once you've created the bill payment, go back to the home page and email the payment voucher to the desired recipient. You can also customize the template of your payment voucher by clicking on the settings icon, selecting Custom Form Styles, and choosing the bill payment template to customize. To access the bill payments, go to the Expenses option. Click on the Expenses option again, and select the Paid Bill Payments option from the drop-down menu. From there, you can select the bill payment you want to print. Click the checkbox next to it, and then click the Send Remittance option. Enter the subject and message of the remittance, and click the Send button to send the payment to the customer.